Ang pinakahihintay ninyo na kung saan ipaparinig natin ngayon kung paano pinakidnap ni Lisa Tanas ang mga bata sa Turkey. Magpipresent tayo ng ebidensya ngayong araw na ito. Play muna natin uli yung conversation ni Lisa, yung video na nag-viral na ito. Pero babalikan natin kasi may nadagdag tayo na ebidensya ngayong araw na ito at mahahabag kayo bilang isang ina, bilang isang magulang kung gaano kademonyo si Lisa Marcos at ang Marcos administration kung paano pina-extract o pinadukot ang mga bata sa Turkey.
I'm here in Bacolod, campaigning for my hubby look with Marie Chris and a bunch of gay people. But anyway, the reason why I called you is I have a favor to ask you. We gave all the documents not to Mila, but syempre iba pag tumawag ka. A good friend of ours, Francis Chua, basically has a problem in Istanbul, in Turkey, so he went to court. The judge issued an order in his favor. So now we're just having everything authenticated so that it can be served in the embassy in Istanbul, right? So Mila has all the documents. I won't bore you with the details, but if you could call Mila and just give it a little push. Everything's above board, don't worry. I'm very good at that. But yeah, that's it. So I hope to see you soon.
Okay.
Grabe Bacolod. All we did here was eat, and eat. Okay, dear. I'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
So that was February 23 message. Nakikipagsabuatan siya sa asawa ng DFA secretary nung panahon na yan. Okay, that was February 23 ang message na yan. Ito po yan, pinrint out ko. Ayan yung conversation nila. Narinig yun na kasi ilang beses natin pinarinig yung boses ng Jejemonyo. Kinasuhan nila si distressed mother ng large-scale illegal recruitment at estafa, fabricated crime. Imagine mo kung sino-sino nakipagsabuatan, DFA. Dahil si Lisa ang mastermind ng pagdukot o pag-extract dito sa mga bata sa Turkey. Ito, Department of Justice, DOJ, andyan si Remulla, DFA, Department of Justice, RTC, okay, Regional Trial Court, kasi fabricated yung crime, Department of Foreign Affairs. Nung naupo na sila, July, eto na yung boses ni Bianca Zubel, yung kanyang social secretary. Parinig natin ulit ito.
Liz, hi. Sorry to bother you, but I just got a call from Thor. And they're a bit concerned because they've gotten an order now that the chief of ISAP is supposed to be changed by Tuesday, and there are people that are out to do some extraction. If it's possible to just keep the ISAP as is daw para hindi magulo yung extraction kasi 2 weeks pa yata or something like that. Or please call Thor. I might be saying the wrong things, but Thor needs some needs help from you. Thank you.
Yung una kong pinlaying video, February of 2022. Hindi pa si Marcos Jr. ang nakaupo. Yung pinlay nating audio, July of 2022. Ang tanong, 'di ba, kinakausap ni Bianca Zubel, Social Secretary, na i-hold muna ang transition, ang pagpapalit ng ISAP officer. I-hold muna kasi daw maaapektuhan yung extraction or kidnapping o pandurukot sa mga bata. Nakita ninyo mga kababayan? Sa susunod na ipaparinig ko sa inyo, I don't know kung hindi kayo mahabag. Kailangan nyo na itong mapakinggan. Mamaya ko na-explain ng iba. Lisa, makinig kang General. Marcos Bangag, makinig ka. Makinig kayo, lahat, senador, kongresista, lahat ng tao sa gobyerno, lahat ng tao sa Pilipinas, lahat ng Pilipino sa buong mundo. Makinig kayo kung ano ang ginawa ni Lisa Marcos, ni Chua na panggigipit sa mga minor de edad.
My process is not insufficient. Is it process or the illegal?
Ito ay iyakan ng mga bata. Nung dinampot sila sa bahay nila, pinaghiwalay. Ito ay utak ni Lisa Marcos. Utak, siya ang may utak. Pakinggan niyo ulit ito. Maiksi lang po ito.
What do you mean? I don't know, baby. My process is not insufficient. Is it process or the illegal? It's a hospital. You wait for me. It's not a dog. We're gonna be separated from mom. We can't see mom. Mom, I'm not going there. I'm not Tell me, how much the government to protect my children than I do? Where are you, Anak? Are you in the police? Are you still there?
If police force give the phone, after the dormitory, you can talk with them. After. If police force can take phone.
Okay. So now you keep the phone. What are you doing?
So say them.
See if your battery is right.
Say them be calm and keep your calm. Keep your calm.
Pinapatabi yung phone.
Could you come? What did you say? Can I get the children tomorrow?
Yarın alabilecek miyim ben çocuklarımı? After here we will
Yes, but okay. Wait. Sweetheart, could you calm down for a while? Where are you? I'm in the other police station. Baby, I know. Please calm down, sweetheart.
We have to give a statement.
Calm down, Anak. Calm down.
Nag-iiyakan yung mga bata, Lisa.
Calm down, sweetheart. Sweetheart, I'm gonna give you a statement. I'll call you back, sweetie, baby. Don't this phone, sweetheart. You're the mother now. I'm gonna talk to them. Wait, wait. Stop crying, sweetheart. Wait, baby. You will fight, don't worry. Mommy will fight, don't worry.
Mommy will fight. Sabi ng bata, what do you mean?
Can you speak to Kuya Sean?
You're leaving us?
You wait, Anak, you wait there.
When the police hold the phone,
You have to hide the phone.
Mom, close
Maya, hide the
After dormitory, she can call you. Please.
Wait, Anak, wait.
Don't leave us, sabi ng mga bata.
I'm sorry. I'll call you back, Anak. I'll call you. I will do something. Don't worry. I'll do something. Don't worry.
Ngayon, sabihin nyo, Tatahimik pa rin kayo? Sino ang may mastermind yan? Si Lisa Marcos at si Bangag Jr. Kaya yung mga batang yan nagkaroon ng trauma during August 23, 2022. Kayong mga inutusan ni Lisa Marcos sa ISAF na tinanggal na rin kayo, kailangan ninyong magsalita. Nakita nyo ang trauma na inabot ng mag-ina. August 23, 2022. Siya ang mastermind. Yan, ang babaeng yan ang mastermind. Magbabayad kang hayop ka. Nakita niyo mga kababayan? Yan ang ginagawa ngayon ng gobyerno. Kaya naman, lahat ng mga rally, lahat tayo ay kinakancel. Fabricated crime. Ang ginagawa kay Glenn Chong na mga disbarment complaint, gumagamit siya ng tao. Ngayon, yung sa akin, kay General Macanas, at now si JM, si Agent Morales. Yan ba ang patwitams-tweetams na mukha ni Lisa na akala mo nag-akap-akap dyan sa mga bata? Dyan ginagamit nila sa kanilang mga PR? Baka dukutin ni Lisa lahat ng mga anak ninyo. Kanino kalalapit? Sa taong bayan. Kayo ang dapat tumulong dito. Paano kayo tutulong? Kailangan nyo magsama-sama dyan sa Pilipinas. Kumusta na ang hearing? Wala, di ba? Yung PIDEA leaks, tignan mo. Kinontempt si Morales dahil nagsasabi ng katotohanan na bangag si Marcos Jr. Yung hearing sa Lotto. So sino ang asahan nyo? Sino ang kakampi nyo mga kababayan? Wala ng Senado, wala ng Kongreso. Lahat magkasabot. Ngayon, nasa bakasyon sila. Nasa ibang bansa sila. Nilalamon ang pera ninyo. Habang si Marcos Kuting ay nasa Brunei. Si Lisa inom ng inom, laklak ng laklak, pulburon ng pulburon sa Malacanang sila. Gusto niya pa rin sa bangag na gobyernong ito? Nasaan yung mga human rights? Nasaan ang women's rights? Nasaan si Ontiveros? Nasaan ka? Didila na lang kayo sa kipay ni Lisa? Hanggang sa isang araw, kayo na maging biktima. Magbabayad talaga tong hayop na to. Magbabayad to si Lisa, mga pa. Magbabayad si Bangag.